Science, Inventions, and Discoveries. Human genome editing discovered by World Health Organization.
Genome editing is a method for making specific changes to the DNA of a cell or organisms. It can be used to add, move, or alter DNA in the genome. Human genome editing technologies can be used on somatic cells. It is the non-heterable cells, germline cells, or not for reproduction, and germline cells for reproduction. The recent application of tools such as CRISPR-Cas9 is to edit the human genome with the intention or to suffice on treating or preventing diseases, and the gaps in our scientific understanding raise ethical issues that have highlighted the need for robust oversight in this area. Current potential and speculative human genome editing research will go beyond national borders, as well possible societal effects. This applies equally to somatic, germline, and heritable human genome editing, although the latter is generally considered to be of greater ethical constraint. Therefore, governance for this technology is needed at national and transnational levels. Some of the necessary governance structures and processes already exist. These may need to be reinforced or amended, where such structures and processes are lacking, gaps need to be filled. These discoveries and invention would lead to some of our scientists to provide and as a basis for future references to have a proper and to intend on treating or preventing diseases. Well, this serves as a very important matter at all. So the next invention is Owner-TM. So Owner-TM is basically from India mission. Owner-TM is a technology which be helpful in rural areas and is developed under Make in India mission. Owner-TM is an innovative technology for drinking water disinfection system which was developed by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, or the CSIR IITR. All disease-causing pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and cysts will be removed from drinking water, making it safe for domestic use and for communities. Well, this technique is useful for continuous treatment of water to meet national and international standards prescribed for potable water, and this technology was transferred to MS Bluebird water purifiers on 17 October 2018. This invention will provide access to the safe and clean drinking water at the cost of just $2. We know that the infection through drinking water result in an increase in morbidity and mortality, particularly among children. So therefore, this technology will be helpful for rural as well as for universal use, since it can be solar powered, and the development is done under Make in India mission. And so this technology is based on the principle of anionic oxidation. Through a chamber, raw water is passed and disinfection occurs with the help of a single oxygen species which was generated at the end. And so the technology has been named as Owner. O stand for oxygen species, and near for water. Therefore, Honor TM is a water purifier technology that can eliminate diseases causing pathogens and provide safe drinking as per as national and international standards. That include my two chosen inventions.